No, I don't believe in psychology. I believe in good moves.
Today, we're gonna look at the Fortnite opening. It's a very beginner friendly and it can also be played at the highest levels of chess. Now, we are gonna focus on some forts. We're gonna control the center, develop our pieces, and castle our play. So, let's start. We're gonna play e4, e5, controlling the center, and then we're gonna follow it knight f3, knight c6, knight to c3, like f6. Now, here we can do two things. Either we can play bishop to b5 or we can play bishop to c4. Here's we're gonna go with bishop to c4 with the Italian variation. If you're wondering that bishop to b5, that's the Spanish. So now let's have a look. So now they they can respond with bishop to b4. And now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna castle our king. We won't look at the bishop. We won't play a3 to attack that. No, we were not gonna do that. We're just gonna simply castle our king to safety. And they will also castle it. Now we're gonna play a bit slow, okay? We're gonna play d3. This we can play d4, but since we're a beginner, we are gonna take it slow, take our time, develop our pieces so that we don't make blunders. So now we're gonna play d3. And then if the response with d5, then we're gonna address it, okay? If they don't play it, we will develop our bishop normally on e3 square. But now we have to address the matter. So we'll say e takes d5. Now why is that? Now this move is interesting. If they directly capture the pawn with the knight, they're gonna lose their knight because we have knight and bishop attacking the knight, and the defender is only their queen, and this is blunder. So now here's what we're gonna do. They will simply capture our knight with their bishop. Why? Now this move removes the defender of our own pawn so that they can now easily capture back the pawn, and we will be busy capturing the bishop. So what you want to do now? Okay, they have captured our pawn back. Now, do we capture the knight? No, we don't. Why? Because we all know that the bishop is more valuable than the knight. And you might also wonder that we're saying that in the c3 pawn is being attacked and this is not defended by our queen. So should we go and defend it now? No. Actually what? We're gonna play bishop to a3 attacking the rook. Now you may wonder, okay, but they're gonna capture the pawn and they're attacking our queen. But here's what to remember. If they capture the pawn with the knight, we're gonna attack the knight by simply playing queen to d2. Why? Because now we're attacking the knight and the rook at the same time. So they weren't gonna play it. Now, let's say they play rook e1 because of course, sorry, rook e8 because of course they have to defend their rook. Now, what you're gonna do? We're not gonna play rook e1. Why? Because we have to protect our pawn on c3. So we say queen d2, and then we're gonna wait and see what they do. Let's say they do bishop to g4. Okay, no problem. If they capture, they lose their bishop, and we play rook e1. Now, this move particularly control the e file indirectly, and we also prepare our attack. Now, we're officially in the middle here, and since the opening is complete and Now, if you're wondering what to do with the black pieces, we will simply play what we played here. We'll just rotate the board and see what a black player do. Easy, right? So later we'll discuss other opinions. So thank you.